Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Mahanti and you are watching Padarth Vigyan. So students, today I am going to demonstrate a very simple experiment which is given in your class 10 science book. We know that if we connect two electric bulbs of different powers in parallel, then the electric bulb having more power will glow with more brightness and the bulb with less power will glow with less brightness. But if we take the same two bulbs and connect them in series, then the reverse will happen. It means the bulb with less power will have more brightness and the bulb having more power will have less brightness. So today I am going to show you that experiment, and I have got these two holders. The first holder is in parallel, the two bulbs are in parallel. In the second holder, the two holders are connected in series. And I have two bulbs. This larger one is of 200 watt and this smaller one is of 100 watt. So first I will connect these two bulbs in the first holder where we have parallel connection, and next I will connect these two bulbs in the second holder which are connected in series, and we will see in which holder which bulb will glow brighter and in which holder the which bulb will glow with less brighter. So let's start the experiment. So now you can see I have connected these two bulbs. The first one is of 200 watt, the second one is of 100 watt, and they are connected in parallel. So now I will switch it on and let us see which one is glowing with more brightness. So you can see that this bulb which has more power is having more brightness and the second bulb of 100 watt is glowing with less brightness. Now I will again connect these two bulbs in the second holder which is connected in series, and let us see what happens there. So now look at this holder. Again I have connected these two bulbs, but now they are in series, and this bulb has power 200 watt and this one has power 100 watt, and now I will switch it on and let us see what happens. So you can clearly see that this 100 bulb has more brightness, but look at this 200 watt bulb. It is hardly glowing. It means the brightness is very less. So from this experiment we got to know that if two bulbs are in series, then the lowest power will have more brightness and the highest power will have less brightness, and hence the experiment is successful.